Hey, I'm Megan with WTI. As a new golfer, I really learned the importance of using a golf glove, whether I'm at the driving range or out at a golf course. I have very small and petite hands, so I really appreciated the size and the fit of this zero friction golf glove. When I first started using a driving range, I was not using a golf glove, and I started to develop calluses on my hands really quickly. But that all disappeared once I started using this golf glove. It's a very breathable material, so I never feel, even in the summer when I'm golfing, that my hand is sweaty. Of course, a couple of my favorite features are the fact that it comes with a little loop to hold a tee. It comes with its own tee, or if you have a favorite one you prefer, you can slip it in there. And of course, it has the little marker on here so that when you are putting, if you need to mark where your ball is, you can easily do that. Overall, I think this is a really cute style, and I have no problem wearing it on the golf course. But of course, I love that it's functional and works well so that I don't get any sort of calluses on my hand when I'm golfing. And that's my point of view.